Hey, Soulstar speaking right now. I know a lot of y'all are kind of wondering about what's on my Patreon, so I'm just going to tell you exactly what it is. On my Patreon, which is patreon.com/soulstarsborn, and I'll leave a description at the bottom as well. Uh, what I offer is, like, pretty standard stuff. Like, you can just tip me $1, whatever. If you don't know what Patreon is, by the way, it's a subscription fee for creators and whatnots, just to help us along, whatever. So, you want to just tip like $1 or higher, up to you. We don't judge you. But for each tier, I got like all kinds of stuff. Like, offer you like sketches. I could offer you painting. It depends on what the tier is, though. That's all it is. So don't just go ask willy nilly and you're not in the tier. You can just even tip like the one time and that's it. That's cool with me. I'm alright with that. But I'm also offering, get this, free shoutouts to anyone who has a YouTube page or Instagram or Facebook or whatever. I will shout you out, no problem, okay? That is my deal to you.